Hi everyone, I wanted you to stop in your day and breathe with me. Let's breathe all the air out first. So you can take a big deep breath in. And breathe out. So we're breathing normally, but just a little bit more exaggerated. And let's do that 3 times. Here we go. Breathe all the air out and breathe in. If you have a chance today, go out in nature, no matter what the weather is. There's no set time frame for being in nature. It just is. It's a good way to ground yourself, release some stress. If it's sunny where you are, possibly get some sun and vitamin D. You know, it only takes 10 minutes to make a difference. And if it's not sunny where you are, just listen to the sounds. Breathe in some fresh air. And take a moment to yourself. You can enjoy my sunny day on this video if it's not sunny where you are. And let's think about something you'd like to release. So let's get it out of your head and put it in your hand and put it to your heart and release it. Let's take a big deep breath in with your hand on your heart. And as you breathe out, open your hand out and release whatever it is. Okay, you can gather that same thought if it's still with you, or a different thought. Put it in your hand. Let's breathe it into your hand. Take it out of your head and put that hand to your heart. And when you breathe out, open your hand so it releases from you. Let's do it for a 3rd time. There might be another thought stuck in your head that's preventing you from having your best day. So, in your open hand, take that thought that's bothering you, stressing you from your head, and breathe it into your hand. Put your hand to your heart. Take a big deep breath in. And open your hand as you breathe out and release it. Okay, let's take some normal breaths. You can close your eyes if that's calming for you. If not, look at something beautiful around you or in my video. And put your hand back on your heart and say thank you.